Hello student. Now today we start our new chapter, that is simple equation. Okay. You are familiar with equation. In previous class already you just solved that equations. We again one more time we revise that one. Look here. Suppose x plus 4 is there. X plus 4, that is called expression. Okay. This one is expression. In that x is called variable. Okay, that is variable. Do you know now what is variable? Variable means a difference numbers value which are not fixed. Okay, means which are variables means changeables. Okay, so x plus 4 is called expression. But suppose x plus 4 equal to 8 is given, that is called equation. Now equation means, so when in that statement and in mathematical statement equal to sign is there, okay, means it's represent the equality of both side. Equality means equal to, okay, and both side means this one is our left side, so it's called LHS, left hand side, and this one is our right side, so that is called RHS, right hand side. Okay, so value of left side and value of right side both are equal, that is called equality, and it's represent the equality of both sides, means value of both sides are equal. Okay, that is called equation. Now sometimes the equations are, you know that how to convert equations into statement form and statement to mathematical equation form. Okay, so sometimes some statements are given and you just make equation like sum of x and 11 is 32. Okay, here what is given? Sum of x and 11, that is x plus 11, and answer is 32. Okay, so here what is the word? Sum, otherwise addition means add, otherwise total. These type of words are there. That time you just what to do? Put plus sign between that two variables, otherwise numbers. Okay, between them you just put plus sign, means you just add that two numbers. Okay, same for subtraction. Suppose subtraction is given, otherwise difference is given, otherwise some special words are there, that is taken out. Okay, this type of words are there. That time what to do? Subtract, otherwise difference, otherwise take out. That time suppose difference of x and 5 is 30, means x and 5, x minus 5 is 30. So these type of words are there. That time you just put minus sign between that two numbers. Okay, same for product is there, word product is there, right? Otherwise times, these type of words are there. That time what to do? You just multiply them. Product of 3 and x, that is 3x, is 12. 3x, that means 3 into x, they are in multiple form. Okay, that is product means multiply. Okay, times 3 times x, that is also multiple. 3 times, 2 times, 5 times. Okay, 5 times x, that means you just take x 5 times, means 5 into x. Okay, some special words are also there, like double, otherwise triple, otherwise twice, otherwise thrice. Okay, double and twice means 2 times, triple and thrice means 3 times. Okay, otherwise 4 times, 5 times. That time you just take multiplication of that two number. Okay, and same last one is fraction. fraction form is there. Now, fraction means numerator and denominator. Numerator means our whole numbers, and if they are having denominators, okay, and that is called fraction, and you are given fraction form. For example, 1/4 of x means 1/4 into x. Means you just take 1/4 part of x. Okay. And that time what to do? You just multiply numerator with that variable and denominator with denominator of that variable. Here no number is there, means that is 1. So x into 1, that is x, and 4. So 1/4 of x means x divided by 4. Half of y means 1/2 y, means y divided by 2. 3/4 of x, that means 3/4 into x, that means 3x divided by 4. Okay, that is fraction form, and fraction means division. Okay, these are the main words to use when you want to convert statement into equation. Okay, now you know that how to solve that equations. Okay, so sometimes the numbers are given. Look, okay, numbers are given, that is, for example, x plus 4 equal to 12. Okay, and here x equal value of variable is given, suppose that is 5. Okay, so x equal to 5 is right for that one or not? You just check that one. That is called x equal to 5 is right for that one or not. Otherwise, x equal to 5 is solution of that equation or not. Okay, that time what to do? How to check x equal to 5 is solution of that one or not? You just take left hand side. Start your calculation with left hand side. So that is x plus 4. Now put the value of x here. What is the value? 5. So at the place of x you just write down 5. That is 5 plus 4, and your answer is 9. Okay. Now check the right side. They are equal? No. Means x equal to 5 is not solution of that equation. Otherwise that is not satisfaction. Means x equal to 5 is not satisfy the given equation. Means that is not a solution of the equation. Otherwise it's not satisfy that equation. Okay, now suppose x equal to 8 is given. That time LHS equal to x plus 4, means 8 plus 4, x equal to 8. Write down here, that is 12. 12 means that is right hand side. So left hand side and right side both are equal, means x equal to 8 is solution of that equation. That is solution of the equation. Otherwise x equal to 8 is satisfied that equation. Okay, so when you want to check the given value is satisfied that equation or not, otherwise that is solution of that equation or not, that time what to do? Just take left hand side and put the value of variable in that one and find out the answer and check that answer with right hand side. They are equal or not. If they are equal, means that is solution of that equation, otherwise satisfy that equation, otherwise not. Okay, now how to solve that equation? Okay, we just take, you know that how to solve that equation. In previous class already you solved that equations. Okay, so here suppose 3m minus 5 equal to 22, right? Now you just solve that equation, and solve that equation means you just find out the value of variable. Solve that equation, it's given, solve the equation means you just find out value of variable. Okay, so there are two ways to find out that one. Two methods are there. Look, first one, that is 3m minus 5 equal to 22. Okay, now how to solve that one? So when you want to solve that one, what to do? Just take the numerical values to the opposite side. Okay, first we take -5. First, what to do? Numbers which are in plus or minus form, means in addition or subtraction, okay, you just take them to the opposite side. So here 3m equal to 22, and you want to change the side of -5. That time what to do? When you change the side, the numbers, sign of numbers should be changed. Means if they are in minus sign, with minus sign is converted into plus, and if they are having plus sign, that is converted into minus. If they are in multiple form, it's converted into division side, and they are in division form, they are converted into multiple. Okay, so -5 is there, you just change +5. Okay, so 3m equal to 27. So m equal to 27. Now 3m means 3 into m, multiple is there, so we change the side, that is converted into division. Okay, so m equal to, now 9 3s are, m equal to 9. Okay, that's your answer. That is our simple method. Okay, simply we always use this method. Okay, but one more method is there. Look, 3m minus 5 equal to 22. Now we know that addition of two opposite number equal to 0. Okay, and multiply of two reciprocals is 1. Okay, and 0 is neutral for addition and 1 is neutral for multiplication. Okay, we use that formulas. Okay, look here. So 3m minus 5 equal to 22. Now to remove addition or subtraction, what to do? You just add or subtract the opposite numbers. Here -5 is there, you just add +5. Opposite number, write down opposite number. Same to the opposite side, means both sides. Okay, now -5 plus 5 cancel, because addition of that two is 0. So 3m equal to, that is 27. 22 plus 5. Now to remove 3, what to do? Just divide with 3. Same here, divide with 3. So 3 3 cut. M equal to, now 3 9s are, it's 9. So m equal to 9. Okay, that is the methods to solve the equations. Okay, so one more time you just revise all this one. Okay, in next year we solve exercise 4.1. Okay, thank you.